200 letters I will never send. Sometimes these cuts are so much deeper than they seem. You'd rather cover up or rather let them be. So let me be, and I'll set you free. I am in misery. There ain't nobody who can comfort me. Oh yeah, why won't you answer me? The silence is slowly killing me. Girl, it really got me bad, really got me bad. Now I'm gonna get you back, I'm gonna get you back. Your southern skin and how it mixes in with mine. The way it feels to be completely intertwined.